Sound Speeds. And if you need an effective, disinfecting cleaning spray, one that's easy on the skin and better yet your gear, yet still strong enough to kill things like, for example, the coronavirus, then pay close attention because I'm going to be showing you a product that I've been using and having great results with for the past few months. Just so it's been said, I was not paid to do this video. I was not offered free or discounted product in exchange for this video. I'm simply sharing this information because I believe in the product, and I also believe that production sound people especially might consider adding this to their workflow, especially during these COVID-19 times. Clean Smart is a disinfecting spray that starts off its life as saline solution before they add hypochlorous acid to it, thus giving it its virus-killing abilities. It kills bacteria in 60 seconds before reverting back into saline solution, allowing it to evaporate away and leave no residue. It's approved for use in neonatal care units in hospitals, and even on things like pacifiers and high chairs, rinsing after use is not required. One thing to note, you do not want to transfer Clean Smart to another bottle, otherwise it will lose its effectiveness. However, it does come in a variety of sizes for you to choose from, including the 23 fluid ounce bottle, the 16 fluid ounce bottle, an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and even a 2 fluid ounce bottle that would be ideal to keep inside of your set wireless kits. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Now, just so it's been said, the 2 fluid ounce bottle is technically called an antimicrobial hand cleaner, but from what I can tell, it's the exact same solution, and it basically does the exact same thing that the regular solution does, and it feels like water. It contains no fragrances, perfumes, or dyes, but does have a slight swimming pool smell. Oh yeah, there it is. It won't dry out your hands, is safe to use inside of a CPAP mask, and does not contain allergens or asthma triggers, so it should be safe to clean on the inside of a face shield. It's also registered with the EPA, so you know it won't hurt the environment, and you don't have to dispose of it a special way either, so it's going to be ideal on those green, environmentally friendly sets. Here's one way you could use them on set. Get some small microfiber cleaning cloths, maybe color coordinate them, that way you could assign each color to a main cast member. Once you use the cloth to clean their lav or transmitter, then take them and throw them inside of a lingerie bag. Don't worry, it had disinfectant on there, so it shouldn't be carrying viruses. Once you get a day's worth or get enough to get an entire week's work done, then you can take them, throw them through the wash, and they're reset back to 1. If you use something like the Bumblebee visor hat, then you could spray this directly on the face shield part without worrying about discoloring the hat. That's because it contains no bleach. And in case you're curious, yes, Clean Smart is made in the US of A. As with anything, make sure you check the label, which you can find online, to verify that you like what you see before buying. And speaking of buying, I put some links down in the description of this video if you'd like to buy Clean Smart products, small, multi-colored microfiber cloths, lingerie bags, and even the Bumblebee visor hat. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Sound Speeds. Be sure to tune in the future for more products that are both green and aggressive, and of course, sound advice. Have a question you'd like answered or want to add something? Be sure to write it in the comment section down below. You can also make a suggestion for future topics of discussion. Again, comment section down below, or you can email me at soundspeeds@yahoo.com. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future sound advice.